stuff, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your basic, boring outfits into fashion. I'm going to be sharing with you some different techniques that I like to use to kind of like cheat almost, so that you look a lot better than you would if you didn't have those little tips. And I would also like to give a huge shout out to the brand Ana Luisa Jewelry, who is actually sponsoring this video. I'm going to be featuring a lot of their pieces in this video. I'm actually wearing a pair of their earrings right now. They're just so cute. All of their pieces are handcrafted. The designs are just so super detailed and just so beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I am wearing just a very typical outfit that I would wear. It's just literally a white t-shirt and this cute little black polka dotted skirt. The issue here is that it is just very boring, and I feel like it could potentially be so much better if I put on some jewelry. So what I have been absolutely loving to do is actually layering a couple necklaces together whenever I'm wearing just like a basic tee to kind of make the outfit just look a lot more put together. I have 3 necklaces on right now. The key point is that it gets shorter and then longer and then longer, so it has a layered effect. And I think this just looks super, super delicate, and especially on like a black or white t-shirt, I think it allows the jewelry to really stand out, and it just makes the outfit just look so much more put together and like you tried when you literally just put on 3 necklaces. Okay, and then another little cheat that I like to do is I'll just take like a pair of sunglasses and then I'll just clip them into my shirt, and like boom, it just looks a lot cuter and a lot more IG worthy now. So this next outfit is actually what I wore to an event, but like it by itself just looks so boring. So much more could just be added to it. So what I thought is you could add a little color into the outfit to make it look a lot better. So this is a little blue bag that I have absolutely been loving lately, and I like to kind of like sling it over my body and kind of almost use it as part of the actual outfit and not just an accessory. So it's almost like it kind of wraps up the whole outfit, adds some color, and just makes it look a lot more fashionable. Everything else is neutral, and alone it would look just super boring, but with the bag it just adds a little spice, adds some color, and just makes you look a lot more fashionable than you really are. So now for this next outfit, I am wearing just a white little tank and denim on denim, as you can see. There's nothing wrong with this outfit, like it's cute, but I mean it's basic. So with just a couple little simple switches, we can go from basic to looking super fashionable and stylish. First thing that I want to do is I want to actually color coordinate a little bit. I'm going to take this lavender top, pair it with these cute purple socks, and wear it with these pink strappy heels. And you guys will see just like honestly the drastic difference that it'll make from this to the next outfit. Okay, so what I've done is I've switched my white top for this lavender-ish pastel top, and then I've went ahead, you guys see my eyes are so bad, and worn pink heels with my purple socks. So I know heels and socks aren't for everyone, but even just with the heels that kind of match with the top will definitely make your outfit look a lot better. So here's a little clip of the outfit. My little socks going on. It just looks so cute. Okay, now for the very last outfit, we have a little LBD. This is super classic. I mean, old stuff would be like, yeah, it's form-fitting, your body looks great, you can just go out and you're done. Like, you look great. But the new stuff is kind of like looking at this being like, no, there's something missing. You don't look put together. You just look like you threw on a little Forever 21 dress and called it a day. And we don't want to look like that anymore. So what I've been into nowadays are these little babies, headscarves. If you throw on one of these guys onto your head, your outfit will just look so much better. For this specific outfit, I have got this one. And what I like to do is I like to tie it around my head like this. And you can kind of like play around with it. Look how cute that looks. Old stuff is like So now when you take a look at the whole outfit, it does not look boring at all. It looks super cute, kind of has like almost like a 50s type of feel because of the headscarf, and it just adds a lot more detail. I think it changes the whole style. Like now this is like brunch worthy, dinner worthy, I mean anything worthy, and photos and everything will just look a lot more nice and put together. Okay guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed my 5 little tips to spice up your look. And as well, I want to thank Ana Luisa Jewelry for sponsoring this video. If you guys would like to take a look at any of the pieces that I mentioned in the video, you can take a look at the link in my description box. And you can also use code Stephanie10 for $10 off your order. Honestly, all the pieces are just super, super beautiful. They're all handcrafted, and I think they'd just be amazing gifts for any of your friends or family as well. And if you did like this video, please thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you know whenever I upload. And if you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's @StephanieOn, and that is about it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!